The Emperor card meaning. In the world of tarot, each card holds a unique significance, guiding those who seek wisdom and insight into their lives. Among the major arcana, the Emperor card stands out as a symbol of authority, structure, and control. Understanding the Emperor's meaning can provide clarity and direction in various aspects of life, from personal to career ambitions. Let's delve into the rich symbolism and multifaceted interpretations of the Emperor card. The symbolism of the Emperor card. The Emperor card features a regal figure seated on a throne adorned with ram's heads, symbolizing Aries, a sign associated with leadership and assertiveness. Dressed in armor beneath his robes, the Emperor signifies protection, strength, and a readiness to face challenges head-on. He holds a scepter and an orb, representing his dominion over his realm and the material world. The mountains in the backgrounds underscore stability and resilience. The imagery conveys a sense of order, authority, and mastery over the physical domain. Each element of the card, from the throne to the Emperor's attire, reinforces the themes of structure, control, and disciplined leadership that define the Emperor's essence. The Emperor in the upright position. When the Emperor appears upright in a tarot reading, it brings forth themes of structure, order, and authoritative influence. This card often indicates a period where disciplined action and organized plans are crucial for success. The Emperor's presence suggests the need to adopt a strategic mindset, emphasizing the importance of clear rules and regulations. You may find yourself in a leadership role where your ability to manage and direct others is put to the test. The upright Emperor also highlights the role of a mentor or authoritative figure in your life, offering support and wisdom. This could manifest as a boss, a father figure, or someone who embodies the principles of strong leadership and guidance. Their influence can help you navigate complex situations with confidence and assertiveness. Additionally, this card encourages you to establish firm boundaries and create a stable environment, whether in your personal life or professional endeavors. It underscores the significance of being decisive and standing firm in your beliefs and decisions. Embracing the Emperor's energy can help you build a strong foundation for your future, fostering growth and achievement through disciplined efforts and authoritative action. The Emperor in reversed position. When the Emperor appears reversed in a tarot reading, it often signifies a disruption in the areas of authority and control. You might experience challenges related to leadership, such as feeling undermined or unable to assert your influence effectively. This card, in its reversed state, can highlight issues with power dynamics, where either you or someone around you may be exercising control in an unhealthy or domineering manner. Feelings of instability and lack of direction are common among the Emperor's reversal. You may find it difficult to establish or maintain the order and discipline necessary to achieve your goals. This card suggests that it's crucial to reevaluate your strategies and consider whether you're too rigid or inflexible in your approach. Alternatively, you might be grappling with external forces that limit your ability to take charge, resulting in frustration and disempowerment. The reversed Emperor also calls attention to potential conflicts with authority figures. These might manifest as disputes with bosses, mentors, or even familial patriarchs, challenging your autonomy and decision-making capabilities. Recognizing these struggles can be the first step towards addressing and overcoming them. By doing so, you can work on restoring balance, reclaiming your power, and re-establishing a sense of control and order in your life. The Emperor in love and relationships. In love and relationships, the Emperor card signifies the importance of structure, stability, and clear boundaries. When this card appears, it suggests that a relationship could benefit from a more organized and disciplined approach. The Emperor's energy can manifest as a partner who takes on a protective or guiding role, offering a sense of security and reliability. This card encourages open communication and the establishment of mutual respect and understanding within the relationship. It also highlights the need for both partners to contribute equally to maintaining harmony and order. The Emperor's presence may indicate a time to define roles and responsibilities clearly, ensuring that both individuals feel valued and supported. In some cases, the Emperor can represent a father figure or an older, wiser person whose influence positively impacts the relationship. However, it's essential to balance this authoritative energy with compassion and flexibility, avoiding dominance or rigidity that could stifle emotional connection and growth. The Emperor in career and finances. In career readings, the Emperor card often signals a period of growth driven by ambition, discipline, and strategic thinking. It suggests a time where stepping into a leadership role or adopting a more authoritative stance can be beneficial. The Emperor's energy supports taking a structured approach to career goals, ensuring that plans are well thought out and executed with precision. This card may also point to the influence of a powerful mentor or authority figure who can provide valuable guidance and support in your professional endeavors. Financially, the Emperor encourages a disciplined and pragmatic approach. This is a time to focus on budgeting, saving, and making informed financial decisions. The emphasis is on stability and building a secure foundation, avoiding risky ventures in favor of tried and true methods. When reversed, the Emperor can highlight issues such as power struggles or lack of direction in your career. It might indicate difficulties in asserting your authority or challenges stemming from rigid structures that stifle creativity and innovation. Financially, the reversed Emperor warns against poor planning or a lack of control over spending, which could lead to instability. Addressing these issues requires re-evaluating your strategies and possibly seeking advice to regain balance and control. The Emperor and personal growth. Personal growth often requires a blend of self-discipline, confidence, and strategic planning, all qualities embodied by the Emperor card. This card encourages you to establish clear goals and follow through with unwavering determination. The Emperor's energy can help you harness your inner strength to tackle life's challenges with a structured approach. It prompts you to create and adhere to routines that foster productivity and achievement. By channeling the Emperor's disciplined nature, you can build a solid foundation for future success. In a reversed position, the Emperor may signal areas where you need to reassess your approach to personal growth. You might be holding on to outdated beliefs or rigid habits that stifle your progress. This could be a time to break free from self-imposed limitations or explore more flexible strategies for self-improvement. The card challenges you to find a balance between maintaining control and allowing room for spontaneity and creativity. Additionally, the Emperor's influence in personal growth encourages the development of leadership skills. Whether you are leading a team or guiding your own life path, embracing these qualities can enhance your ability to make confident, well-informed decisions. Recognizing and integrating these attributes can lead to greater self-mastery and empowerment, allowing you to navigate your personal development journey with clarity and purpose. The Emperor in different tarot decks. Different tarot decks offer unique artistic and symbolic interpretations of the Emperor card, enriching its core meanings with additional layers of context. For instance, in the Rider-Waite deck, the Emperor is depicted as a stern figure seated on a throne adorned with ram's heads, emphasizing themes of authority and stability. Meanwhile, in the Thoth deck by Aleister Crowley, the Emperor appears in a more abstract, symbolic form, highlighting dynamic and transformative aspects of power. The Wild Unknown Tarot portrays the Emperor as a towering tree with strong roots, symbolizing grounded leadership and the importance of a solid foundation. The card's representation in the Tarot di Marcelli features a more traditional, medieval king-like figure, underscoring the historical connotations of monarchy and governance. Some modern decks infuse the Emperor with cultural or mythological elements, such as depicting him as a deity or legendary ruler. These variations can introduce fresh perspectives on authority and control, allowing readers to connect with the card in diverse ways. The steampunk tarot, for example, blends Victorian aesthetics with mechanical elements, presenting the Emperor as a master of both technological innovation and traditional leadership. These differing artistic interpretations not only make the Emperor visually distinct in each deck, but also offer nuanced angles for readers to explore the complexities of authority, structure, and control in their readings. Common misconceptions about the Emperor. One common misconception about the Emperor is that it solely represents rigid authority or patriarchy. While the Emperor is indeed a symbol of control and structure, it also embodies balanced leadership and protective instincts. This card goes beyond mere dominance, highlighting the importance of order, stability, and wisdom in guiding others. Another misunderstanding is that the Emperor's energy is strictly masculine. In reality, the card can resonate with anyone who embraces leadership qualities and seeks to create a secure environment. It is also mistakenly viewed as inflexible or unyielding, yet the Emperor encourages strategic thinking and adaptability to maintain harmony and efficiency. Representing these nuanced aspects allows for a deeper appreciation of the Emperor's role in providing constructive and nurturing guidance. Integrating the Emperor in tarot spreads. Integrating the Emperor into your tarot spreads can offer profound insights into the dynamics of control, authority, and structure in your life. When the Emperor appears in a spread, it often highlights areas where you may need to assert more leadership or bring order to chaotic situations. In a past position, the Emperor might reflect a foundational influence, such as a mentor or a period of disciplined effort that has shaped your current circumstances. This placement encourages you to acknowledge the lessons and strengths derived from these past experiences. In the present position, the Emperor emphasizes the need to take control and implement structured plans. It suggests that now is the time to adopt a strategic approach and lead with confidence. This card's appearance here can also indicate the presence of a guiding figure or the need for you to step into a leadership role. When the Emperor appears in a future position, it forecasts a period where structure and disciplined action will be crucial. This placement advises you to prepare for upcoming challenges by establishing clear goals and strategies. It also hints at potential opportunities to advance in leadership roles or take on more responsibility. In spreads focused on specific areas, such as career or relationships, the Emperor can provide tailored guidance. For career-focused spreads, it underscores the importance of strategic planning and authoritative decision-making. In relationship spreads, it highlights the need for clear boundaries and mutual respect. By paying attention to the context and position of the Emperor within your spreads, you can gain a deeper understanding of how to effectively harness its energy to bring stability and order into your life. Final thoughts on the Emperor card. The Emperor card stands as a powerful symbol of order, stability, and leadership within the tarot. It prompts us to embrace structure and disciplined action in various areas of life. Whether dealing with career ambitions, personal growth, or relationships, the Emperor encourages a strategic approach, underpinned by clear boundaries and authoritative decision-making. It highlights the importance of stepping into leadership roles with confidence and clarity, fostering a secure environment for growth and success. The card's nuanced messages remind us that true authority combines wisdom with protective instincts, guiding us towards balanced and effective leadership. Embracing the Emperor's energy can lead to profound insights and positive transformations.